What's going on, YouTubers? It's Bc2Rc. We're back here with another video. Sorry for the late disappearance. I'm kind of really busy with school and haven't had time to get out with some of my new mods. But the first one I really want to talk about is the Hurst short throw shifter. This is the original one. I don't think it's the competition plus. It may just be the competition model. But the reason I titled this video "Balling on a Budget" for this specific shifter is because I think a short throw shifter in these 3-valve Mustangs is a must. And to be honest with you, on any of the Facebook forums that I'm going to leave in the description, you could go on there and there's at least probably like 4 people selling these shifters at a time, and they'll sell them to used for like, you know, $100 at that, and then you buy new bushings and it's perfectly fine. So just taking a look at the shifter itself, I love the classic design of it. This one I got for $100, pretty much straight up, and the bushings were in perfect condition. I got really lucky with it and I really like it. I really haven't had any problems, and the only cons I want to go over, because I figured the cons is what most people are looking for in a video like this. I do have to say it's a little shaky from side to side when I'm driving, and it kind of gives it a little bumpy ride, which you'll see when I actually go through the driving portion of it. But other than that, really, like, I can't complain with this, because this reduced my throw by like 40 to 50% is what I think the range is supposed to be, and for me that was perfect enough. I feel like I've gained a lot more driving mod experience while going through gears with a shorter throw. I definitely recommend this to anybody that has these Mustangs and still has the stock shifter. The install took about 2 hours for me because I did it myself in a couple jack stands. Dylan shelled, he actually came over and helped me a little bit with that, so I gotta give props to him. But really, as long as you have jacks and minor experience, I think you can knock this install out. Other than that, we're gonna just take it out to the road and I'm gonna show you how these gears go. First things first, with the car, I'd like to show you how short the gears are. Might be a little difficult in the video to see, but basically you got your first, your second, your third, your fourth, and the fifth. And pretty short. And then from the side, I like to show the angle: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. As you can see, it's a lot shorter than the stock.